In this video, I'll show you how to remove background noise in ElevenLabs in 2026. If you have a voice recording with unwanted sounds, such as room noise, traffic, fans, or other distractions, you can use ElevenLabs, available audio tools to help make the recording cleaner and easier to understand. First, open ElevenLabs on your computer and log in to your account. Once you are inside the platform, look for the audio cleanup, voice isolation, or noise removal feature available in your account. The exact name and location of the tool may change as ElevenLabs updates its platform. Next, prepare the audio recording you want to clean. Make sure you have permission to use and process the recording, especially if it belongs to another person. Look for the upload option and select your supported audio file from your computer. After the file has been uploaded, allow ElevenLabs some time to process the recording. Depending on the length of the audio and the current service, processing may take some time. Once the processed version is ready, listen to the result carefully. Pay attention to whether the main voice sounds clearer and whether unwanted background sounds have been reduced. If you still hear too much noise, check the available options and try processing the recording again if the tool allows it. Keep in mind that noise removal has limitations.
In this video, I'll show you
if the original recording contains very loud background sounds, heavy distortion, clipping, music, or multiple people speaking at the same time,